everyone. Welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal. Today, we are going to create a super fun and competitive game in Scratch. The two-player ping pong ball game. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a bouncing ball that never stops. Code 2 pedals controlled by different players. Add scoring to keep track on who is winning. And finally, make the game fast, fun and challenging. So, get ready to build this game in Scratch. And before we jump in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive right into Scratch. Start with the coding. Delete the sprite cat. Take a new sprite, that is baseball. This one. Okay, now we will choose a backdrop. Baseball 1. Click on stage. Go to backdrops. Over here is it. Delete this first backdrop. We will change it to court. Okay, court. Now I am going to make one partition line that is in the center. This is my partition line. Over here also one I am going to draw here. Okay, partition is done. Now take the square one. Outline will be 0 and fill color. The color will be blue. I will make a block like this. Oh, it's here. I'll make it little bit like this. Okay. I will copy it. Control C for copy and Control V for paste. I'm going to take this over here, put it, and now I'm going to change its color, which is neon green. I'm dragging this aside with the arrow keys. Okay, now go to the codes. And let's start with the coding of baseball. From which block do we start? If you said events when flag clicked, you are correct. And after this, go to looks, scroll down, show, motion, go to X and Y, go to X0, Y0, point in direction 45. Okay, now see, in the center, X0, Y0, and then it's showing when the flag is clicked. Okay, this was the position of the ping ball. Now, I'm going to do the movement. For the movement, control for our loop. Motion, scroll down. If on edge bounce, turn clockwise 15 degrees. Instead of 15 degrees, 1 degree. And after this, move 10 steps. Now see the effect. Oh, it's bouncing to random position. Great. Now I'm going to take 2 more sprites. Go to choose a sprite, search, pedal. Here's my pedal. Go to its costume. Take the select one. Fill color is going to be black over here, this one. And I'm going to make one outline. Cross the fill. And outline will not be 12. It's going to be like 2. Okay. The outline's color will be black too. Now take this color and put it over here. Done. Now duplicate this. Go to its costume. Change the color of the outline. The color will be red. And the inside out will also be red. Okay. This is going to be pedal 1. And this pedal 2. This is ready. We will set its position. Now go to events. When flag clicked, looks, show, motion, go to x minus 2, 15, y minus 52. Now take point in direction 0. This is done. Now put this into the red one. Over here I will change the position or else it will overlap. Over here you just have to remove the negative sign. Go to x 215, y 2. Okay, now see. Oh, it's on its position. They're like gone to the random position. So I can do y 0 in both of them. Now look. It's looking like they're seriously playing a match. Okay, great. Now we will do the movement of pedal. Go to control, forever loop, if then, touching, edge, motion, scroll down, if on edge, bounce. And now go to control, if then, sensing, key Q pressed, this Q, motion, change Y by 5. Duplicate this, put it over here, select A, change Y by -5. Now, just take this forever, put it in the pedal too. Oh, it's over here. Now join it to the when flag clicks, so go to X and Y. I'll change the keys. Q pressed, it will be up arrow, and A pressed, it will be down arrow. Now I will show you the effect of the red up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and of the black Q A Q A. Like the movement, right? The red one is touching on the edge. It's bouncing back. And if the black is also bouncing back. Wow! Now go to the baseball scoring. First I'll change the name of the baseball. That is ping ball. Okay, now we will do the coding of touch sensing of ping ball. First go to control and take if then, sensing, touching, pedal 1. Then go to motion and take turn clockwise 180 degrees. Duplicate this, put it over here, touching pedal 2. If touching pedal 2, then turn clockwise 180 degrees. Now we are going to make 3 variables. Go to make a variable, click on it and type speed. Second variable, black player and red player. Okay, over here I will set black player to 0. Set red player to 0 and set speed to -1. Okay, over here control if then operators are sensing, touching, pedal 1 or touching pedal 2. Then variables change speed by -10. Okay, now go to events, take when flag clicked, control, forever loop, if then, touching, pedal 1, variables, change black player by 1, control, wait until not touching pedal 1. Duplicate this if then and put it down. And done. I'll do this to large readout. And yeah, change red player over here. Touching pedal 2. Now, over here you need to duplicate this. Put it over here. Touching pedal 2. And wait until not touching pedal 2. Okay, so now see the effect. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 2, 5 of red, 3 of black, 6 of red. Oh, great. Now let's move to the pedal 1. Go to events, control, forever loop, if then, sensing, touching, ping ball. Then we are going to choose a sound, not boing. Go to choose a sound and take this basketball. The name of the sound is basketball bounce. Now go to the codes and go to sounds, play sound, basketball bounce until done. And then variables, change speed by 1. And just take this, drag it to the pedal 2. And over here you got the coding. Now see. Oh wow. Sound. Great. Now let's move to the ping ball. Go to events. Take when flag clicked. Control forever loop. If then. Sensing. Touching. Color of this blue. The border. Then make a sound, not pop. Boing. This one. Okay, great sound. Play sound boing until done. And then variables. Change black player by -1. And then duplicate this if then and put it over here. And little changes. Black player will be red player and touching color is the green on the other side border. Now I'll show you the effect. Oh, -1, -1, 0. Oh wow. I saw something. When the ball is touching the red pedal, then it's not making the basketball bounce sound. Let me check. Oh, I copied this code, but in the sounds, there is no basketball bounce sound. That is why it's happening. Cross this and choose a sound. Okay, now it's here. See the effect. Oh. Okay, our game is going great. Now I'm going to make another backdrop. Click on stage, backdrops. I'm going to paint a backdrop. Take this fill, convert to bitmap. This inside circle, outside circle I want. The outside one will be like green and inside one will be yellow. Okay, fill. Now over here I will write a text and I want marker, that is the font, and the color should be red and the text is red win. Over here I will put this over here. Go to the codes and ping ball. click on ping ball and go to costumes. I'm just gonna select this, group it first, and then copy, go to stage and paste. I'll keep this ping ball over here. This is done. Over here, I need to paint it again. Convert to bitmap, circle only. Now we will write the text that is in black color. Black win. And over here, I will keep it over here. Change its name, black win. And of red win, the name will be red win. Okay, now go to codes of ping ball. First, when flag clicked, control forever loop. If then is equal to variable black player is equal to 5. Then we are going to take a sound, boing, and one more, connect. Okay, here is our connect. Now go to codes and takes play sound connect until done. Looks, switch backdrop to black win, hide, and then stop all. Just duplicate this, put it over here. And instead of this, go to variables and take red player and switch backdrop to red win. Okay, almost done. Just little more left. Go to the battles. Take events. Backdrop switches to red win. Looks. Hide. Duplicate. Backdrop switches to black win. And then put it into the paddle 2. Okay, now go to pinball. We are going to choose a song. Go to loop. And I'm going to take techno. Hear the sound. Softer. Now go to the codes. Take when flag clicked. Control. Forever loop. Sounds. Play sound techno until done. Now I'll set the backdrop first. When flag clicked, go to looks. Switch backdrop to baseball 1. I've put baseball 1. We can also change the name. The name is court. Okay, court. Now let's enjoy on big screen. 3, 2, 1, and let's start. Oh no. -1 for both. Now +1. Oh, 1. Oh. 2. Okay. It's going here and there and where. Oh no. Oh, yay. 1. 2 for black. 1 for red. 3 for black. Oh yeah. The score is getting up, down, up, down. Great. Oh no. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh. 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. Oh, yay! Black wins! Okay, I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.